Final Cut Pro 11 is finally here, including the much anticipated magnetic mask. In today's video, I tested 3 different shots, one that should be easy, medium, and hard to mask. Let's see how it works. Here I am in the timeline. So I have easy, where I'm just basically standing there. Medium, I'm moving around just a tiny bit, and then hard, I'm moving around a bunch. Alright, let's go over here to effects, masks and keying, and there we go, magnetic mask. You can remove the mask clicking here, add the mask over here, or you can use it with the pin. Alright, so draw the, oh wow, so I just clicked. That is awesome. So holding down option goes to negative. Right here is a tiny little hole that shouldn't be there. Click on negative, let's see if I can actually remove the tiny little part. Alright, so now click on analyze. There we go. Looks pretty solid, so it looks like it is having a problem right here. So you can click on here and actually just move over one frame at a time. So right here I can see, I can actually click right here and I get a pin. So I can just go ahead and go over it. Click analyze again. Alright, there we go. Looks like it had just about no problems at that time. So I click on view masks, and it goes over here, click on the arrow, you have black and white, click on the arrow, go back to color. So you have to click on this part right here and then click view mask, and now it shows you. Wow, that did incredible. I'll go ahead and just move a background behind, scrolling through. Wow, it did phenomenal. So I hit play. That is incredible, and that was super fast. Let's now go over to the next shot. I'll just click right here. Almost got it completely on the first try. So go ahead and click on the pin tool again so I can get all of this spot, and I guess I'll go ahead and just zoom in and try to remove that part. Wow, okay, that did great with just one click. Click on analyze. It looks like it's having no problem. Did it actually do that? I think it had no problem. Wow. That is awesome. I am very excited. And then of course you can also go and add a feather. So let's just add a feather a little bit. Alright, this is the one I'm most excited for. I even have a bunch of motion blur. I move my hands out of frame. This will be very interesting. One click. Alright, there we go. All it took was one click. Analyze. Okay, that's awesome. It's moving fast. And it looks like there's only one little spot I saw that it did not mask completely, but it's going out of frame. It's keeping it. Okay, so right here. So I can just click right here again. Bring that back for right there. This one's definitely difficult because of the motion blur. Okay, so that was a bad one. So here's a good example of, you can just go to the pin tool and you just kind of highlight the motion blur and just going frame by frame on a couple spots and refilling in spots that disappear. Let's go ahead and try on one click again. So yeah, there we go, just one click and it's doing it no problem. Let's go on to the mask. Wow, so yeah, that's incredible. So when you play it back slowly, you can definitely see the extra spots easier. Let's continue to remove all of the extra spots. All right, there we go. So I'll go ahead and just leave it at here with the feather. If this is for like a client, you would definitely want to go frame by frame and really try to make it better. This is also included in Final Cut Pro and saves a lot of time. And here it is with the blue background. That's it for this video. Final Cut Pro 11 and the magnetic mask is incredible. I am super excited for the mask. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps the channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching.